Chitchat English.
What does your father do?
He's a teacher.
Do you think I'm acting weird?
No, you seem fine.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't smoke.
Can you hear me?
Could you say that again?
Do you know us?
Yes, I know your friends.
Do you love me?
Yes, I love you.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you speak English?
A little.
Do you know that hotel?
No, I don't.
Why are you asking?
I need some information.
Do you know him?
Yes, he's a friend.
Do you like rap music?
Yes, I do.
What do you have?
I have some money.
What do you need?
I need help.
What do you want?
I want to talk to you.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Do you want money?
Yes, for groceries.
What does Zara do?
She's a nurse.
When do you study?
In the evening.
Where do you live?
I live in Los Angeles.
Do you play soccer?
Yes, I play on weekends.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't.
Do you like surfing?
Yes, I do.
Why did she do that?
She was upset.
Are you afraid of snakes?
Yes, I am.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a tattoo?
No, I don't.
Do you have a ticket?
No, I need to buy one.
Do you have blankets?
No, I don't.
Do you think I'm overweight?
No, you look great.
What should I do now?
You should rest.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I do.
Do you need this book?
Yes, I need it for class.
Do you think I'm unattractive?
No, you're very attractive.
Do ghosts exist?
I don't think so.
Do you donate to charity?
Yes, I do.
Do you have everything?
No, I still need a few things.
Do you want to be rich?
Yes, I do.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a teacher.
What do you want to do?
I want to finish my work.
Where do you feel pain?
My head hurts.
Will you do me a favor?
Yes, I will.
Do you feel like eating?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Do you talk to your dog?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you think I'm foolish?
No, not at all.
What do you do in Japan?
I work there.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I did.
Do you have brothers?
Yes, I have two.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Do you drive?
Yes, I have a license.
Do you eat granola often?
No, not very often.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to relax.
What do you do on Sundays?
I rest and spend time with family.
What time do you go home?
Around 6 p.m.
Who do you think you are?
I'm just me.
Do you deliver on Sundays?
Yes, we do.
Do you know where he went?
I think he's out for lunch.
Do you like Japanese food?
Yes, I do.
Do you think I'm handsome?
Yes, definitely.
Do you think I'm at fault?
No, I don't think so.
Do you think I'm tall?
No, you're perfectly fine.
How many kids do you have?
I don't have any.
What do you want to drink?
I'd like some water.
Where can I catch the subway?
At the main station.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Do you go to school by bus?
Yes, I do.
Do you know where he lives?
Yes, he lives in Miami.
Do you think it's my fault?
No, I don't.
How long do I have to wait?
About 30 minutes.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
When do you usually wake up?
Around 7 a.m.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you like tennis?
Yes, I play often.
Do I need to study?
Yes, it's important.
Why did he leave?
I think he had an emergency.
Why are you crying?
I'm feeling overwhelmed.
Does he use public transport?
No, he drives his own car.
Does your dog ever bite?
Occasionally, but not often.
Where do you work?
I work in a hospital.
Why did he quit?
He wanted to start a new job.
Do you know why she's upset?
She's been having a tough time.
Why did you say that?
I was nervous.
Does Nancy want a dog?
Yes, she does.
Why didn't you call me?
I was busy with work. Is it warm during winter where you live?
Not very warm. It's quite cool.
Did you get the meeting details?
Yes, it's scheduled for 3 p.m.
How many passengers can your car accommodate?
It can fit up to 5 passengers.
Why aren't you in the office today?
I'm working from home today.
How much did these shoes cost?
They were about $60.
Did you go to Rome?
No, we didn't visit Rome.
Have you completed the project?
Not yet. I'm still working on it.
How was your last weekend?
It was very enjoyable and relaxing.
Do you play any sports regularly?
I play tennis on weekends.
How was your recent trip?
It was quite pleasant.
Why are you learning French?
I'm planning to move to France.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer tea.
How long will you stay here?
I'll be here for 2 weeks.
Do you think learning Spanish is hard?
It's challenging, but manageable with practice.
Where are you employed?
I work in a marketing firm.
How was your day at work?
It was quite productive.
When will we catch up?
Let's plan for next week.
Have you received any awards lately?
I received a certificate of achievement last month.
How is your afternoon so far?
It's been quite relaxing.
Do you often eat out with friends?
Yes, we meet up for meals a few times a month.
Do you know why she left early?
Maybe she had another appointment.
Where can I find a nearby cafe?
It's just down the street on the right.
How do I reach the nearest hospital?
Go straight and take the first left. It's on your right.
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
It's around the corner, next to the grocery store.